Chapter 6 Operation Strategy is like a plan that helped tourism and hospitality businesses succeeded. It focuses on using resources wisely to give guests a great experience. These include improving processes, using technology for efficiency, and being environmentally friendly to attract eco-conscious travelers. A well-trained staff is a key to offering personalized services and creating memorable moments. Analyzing data help businesses understand their customer better and make smart decisions on pricing, promotion, and staffing. Chapter 7 The Quality Management and Control course taught me about key quality principles. A major idea is the PDCA cycle, which help organizations improve over time by planning, checking, acting, and making changes. This process helps businesses find problems, fix them, and keep improving. By following the cycles, company can provide higher quality products and services. This approach leads to better result, more efficiency, and happier customer. Chapter 8 A budget is a financial plan that shows expected income and expenses over time. It helps people and businesses manage money, set goals, and stay financially stable. Budgeting lets you spot overspending, prioritize needs, and make better decisions with money. It helps you stay on track and adjust when needed, avoiding risk and achieving goals. A good budget gives a clear picture of finance and help in planning for unexpected situations. Chapter 9 In the hotel industry, productivity is about balancing speed and quality. It's measured by how well resources like staff and supply are used to satisfy guests. Important metrics include occupancy rates, revenue per room, and guest satisfaction. A hotel can improve by training employees, using technology, and optimizing operations. For example, a new mobile check-in system can reduce wait times and improve the guest experience. Chapter 10 Efficiency and effectiveness are both important for success. Efficiency means doing things with less effort, while effectiveness means doing the right things to reach goals. While being efficient save costs, it shouldn't harm the quality of outcomes. Organization needs to balance both to ensure they're not just working fast, but also doing the right task. Benchmarking help improve both by comparing with others to set goals, improve decision making, and drive success. Chapter 11 Supply Chain Operation involved careful planning and sourcing of materials. Good planning include forecasting demand, managing inventory, and scheduling production to deliver on time. Sourcing focuses on choosing reliable supplier and managing risk. By managing these steps well, businesses can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and keep customers happy. A strong supply chain can also support sustainability by reducing waste and promoting ethical sourcing. Chapter 12 Sales performance monitoring is crucial for businesses to assess and improve their sales strategies. By tracking key metrics like revenue, customer cost, and conversion rates, businesses can find areas for improvement. For instance, a drop in sales can be analyzed to understand whether it's due to lower activity or poor customer satisfaction. Monitoring also helps businesses recognize top performer and offering training to those who need improvement. Ultimately, tracking sales help businesses make better decisions and grow revenue.